Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 Ford Taurus, and in this video I will show you which fuses to check in case your heated mirrors are not working. This video will apply to latest generation of Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check will be located just under the steering wheel in a small fuse box, which is actually quite hard to access, but I'll do my best to record it. Okay, you'll have to squeeze down here. And all the fuses are located under this black cover. To remove the cover, you'll have two black clips, one here, one on the top, so you want to press them at the same time and pull off the cover. Okay. And on the inside of the cover you'll have a small white fuse puller which you can use to pull each separate fuse. Okay, and the fuse you want to check is fuse number 32, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here. I hope you can see it. So it's the third blue fuse from the top, and this is the fuse responsible for the power to the master mirror switch. Second fuse will be located under the front hood in the main fuse box, which is just here next to the battery. Now to leave this cover you will have two black clips on this side. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a fuse diagram. And your heated mirror fuse is fuse number 50, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here. So this is the one you want to check here. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.